Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Muhale. I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness the Betway Premiership clash between Stellenbosch and TS Galaxy. The game as of two, which has concluded by TS Galaxy prevailing by 2-0, defeating Stellenbosch. I'm not alone. Rodman Mazia game we won in Jan. Oucham, Kulmanam Kaz.
Igame yona beyimnanzi kakhulu kona I knew ukuthi Stellenbosch sitwasinike problem given ukuthi bathi ngama points kakhulu ngoba still basele ku number 15 ku log. So but ngala ku TS Galaxy I was impressed nge front line yilo I combination ya Ditejane Mahlambi kanye naZidonga beyimnandi kakhulu. Kodwa lenga kubone kahle imidlifit namhla beyinga connect yeah Umvelase na
bafaka mfana lo musha
Dlamini bekangahlangana na Maduna yeah bebangahlangani kahle lapha emkhathini but I front line I'm impressed.
Mphathi iperformance ya Dlamini namuhla it is debut like at Mbombela Stadium. Mphathi uma niyibuka Mbujane was taken out from that starting lineup and he was introduced into that starting lineup. Mphathi uma benganibuta Mphathi performance yakhe yena mfoka Dlamini how far but out of scale of 1 to 10 ningayirate anything ngakhe namhlanje Mphathi?
Yeah yena given ukuthi bekuyi first game yakhe u8 ngamnika. Just that was my pass abo bewanga link boy 3 yeah but yes for I was impressed mostly ngale front line.
Mphathi uma siyibuka lendaba lena, do you believe this combination just needs a little bit of more time, or is it something ukuthi okay coach experiments ayibona uyayilinga but akumeleki lena ngaze ayihlangani kahle, let's put in umuntu esimjwayele uMbujane lapha emkhathini, or do you believe let's give Dlamini a little bit of more that time to get used to the combination yakhe Umvelase naye noMaduna? Do you believe we still have that time, or nina nifuna neti 3 points nifuna neti kutibona nihlele sibhakabhakeni lapha kuloko nduna yami?
I chance bangamnika just that kona igame yanamhla vele beyitough kakhulu Stellenbosch vele besiyifithinga le 3 points so angeke simsole kakhulu coach angiqabanga ukuthi angaphinza izame futhi le combination la iqale ngayo namhla. I'm sure ukuthi the next game batobe sabajwayelene batawujela kahle.
Mphathi sikhuluma ngema combination la Mphathi la kunenye la akunale Rodman Zindongo lapha ephambili nduna yami ngalana kuna Mahlambi ngalana kuna mfana Phuso Rodman yamkhuluma nami labafana umfana Mphathi kungathula ehle ngifuna nethi kuyikhanyisa kahle enduna yami angivisisi nethi dala Phuso Mahlambi the combo lene kusengase ngibuy 1 get 1 free. Rodman yamkhuluma nami Rodman yami kwenzakalani lana angivisisi any type goal score uma lo ngagor lo uya assist hayi Rodman yamkhuluma nami angeke labafana bendani lapha.
Yeah kodwa labafana ba impressive ngicanga ukuthi because since iqale vele season so loba cishe badlala boy especially Mahlambi na Ditejane so loba badlala vele boy 2 leba ngathi bam introduce slowly nguye uZidonga mara naye sawubajoinile labafana ayisayapush.
Mphathi introduction ya Zindongo you know very well bekusolo ngathi shota iTS Galaxy shota nga number 9 Mphathi Mvelase was now okay had to now occupy that position. Mphathi how much of a relief is it for you TS Galaxy fans, is it for you to have a clinical number 9 but a clinical number 9 nje umdlali lofana naZindongo lesimbonile emacembini leli previous labuya kulo ukuthi what is capable of when he hits the ground running in the position in number 9 nduna yami?
Yeah yena clinical number 9 uyadzingeka but yena Zidonga ngithanze kakhulu namatouch yakhe ukuthi yakafosteli kushaya ipalini ngaso sonke isikhathi uyakhona kudlala futhi nalala abanye abafana.
Rodman Mazia asivale nawe ngibonge kakhulu Rodman Mazia.
Kubonga mina.
Thank you guys.